Today we embark on a journey into the incredible world of insects, where the small reigns supreme and the unseen becomes the star of the show. Insects are not just a part of our world. They are a dominant force, shaping ecosystems and supporting life as we know it. In the fascinating world of insects, not every creepy crawly qualifies for the title. A creature must pass a strict scientific checklist to be crowned an insect. Firstly, insects are invertebrates, meaning they do not have a spinal column. Instead, they sport an exoskeleton, a tough outer shell that protects their inner workings and provides support. Secondly, an insect's body is a trio of specialized segments: the head, thorax, and abdomen. Each part is vital to the insect's survival, from housing the brain to anchoring the legs. Speaking of legs, this is where we draw the line, literally. Insects come equipped with exactly 6 legs, no more, no less. This 6-legged stance is their signature move, distinguishing them from the 8-legged spider squad and other many-legged menageries. Insects are the silent majority of our planet. While often unnoticed, they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature. But just how many are there? There are approximately 10 quintillion insects alive. That's 10 followed by 18 zeros. To put that into perspective, for every human being on Earth, there are about 1.4 billion insects. When we talk about the weight of the world, insects are a heavyweight category of their own. If we were to weigh every insect on Earth, they would tip the scales at an estimated 10 billion tons. That's the equivalent weight of 1 million Eiffel Towers. In comparison, the total weight of all humans is a mere 350 million tons, making us just 3.5% of the insect's total weight. Deadly doses, the most poisonous and deadly insects in the world. In the intricate tapestry of our natural world, insects play a vital role. Some are pollinators, others decomposers, and a few are downright deadly. Number 1, the humble mosquito, a silent killer. Mosquitoes, those tiny, buzzing nuisances, are the deadliest critters on the planet. Here's why. Annual toll. These tiny vampires claim more than 700,000 lives each year. Disease vectors. Mosquitoes transmit a host of nasty diseases, including malaria, dengue, West Nile, yellow fever, Zika, chikungunya, and lymphatic filariasis. And of course malaria, the big one. In 2017 alone, roughly 435,000 people died from malaria worldwide. That's one person every 30 seconds. They have a special organ called the maxillary palp that detects the CO2 we exhale, guiding them to us. Once there, they consume 3 times their weight in blood. Mosquitoes seem to prefer beer drinkers, perhaps because beer increases the ethanol content in sweat, which turns them on. People with O-type blood are mosquito magnets. Nobody knows exactly why, but O blood-type folks apparently smell better to these bloodsuckers. Number 2, the kissing bug, a deadly bite. Triatomine, also known as kissing bugs or vampire bugs, have a penchant for biting humans around the mouth. Found in 28 U.S. states, they rarely carry Chagas disease here. But globally, Chagas kills about 12,000 people annually. Most victims remain asymptomatic for weeks, but 45% eventually develop heart disease, leading to heart failure. Number 3, the tsetse fly, silent assassin. Native to tropical Africa, these big, biting flies spread the parasitic infection causing African sleeping sickness. Without treatment, this disease is 100% fatal. The treatment itself is notoriously difficult. Number 4, the harvester ant, tiny but toxic. The harvester ant, Paganamermex maricopa, wears the crown for the world's most venomous insect. Its venom has an LD50, lethal dose for rodents, of just 0.12 milligrams per kilogram. These tiny warriors pack a punch. Buzzing bees, nature's tiny wonders. Did you know bees are responsible for 1/3 of our food? They're the unsung heroes of our ecosystem, and it's time to give them the spotlight they deserve. Bees buzz for a reason. The sound we hear is produced by their rapid wing beats, creating vibrations that help them navigate and communicate. With around 20,000 species, bees come in all shapes and sizes. Only a fraction produce honey, but each plays a crucial role in nature's symphony. Bees have been around for over 130 million years, predating even the dinosaurs. In the hive, every bee has a role. Worker bees, drones, and the queen all work together to ensure the survival of their colony. The queen can lay up to 2,000 eggs a day, while workers perform the waggle dance to share information about food sources. Bees are vital for pollinating 70% of the world's flowering plants, including many of the crops we rely on for food. Without them, our diets would be far less diverse and nutritious. Thank you for buzzing along with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.